Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to solve the problem of not receiving messages via our Gmail email. The method is very simple. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video before moving on to the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Thank you from the heart to everyone who does it. The first step, my friend, is to go to our Gmail account, then click on the three small legends above here, then go down and click on Settings. After that, we choose our Gmail account, then click on it. After that, we go to Notifications and activate all notifications from here. After that, my friend, the most important step in this video is to go down and then search for data usage. After that, we click on Gmail Sync and activate this option. It is very important, my friend. You can also go to Settings, then go to Applications. After that, go to Applications again. After that, you search for the Gmail application and enter it. After that, you go to the Settings and give the Gmail application all the permissions it needs to access the phone and everything. After that, my friend, you go out and enter the storage and delete the temporary storage memory. After that, my friend, you restart your phone and you will find that the old problem has been solved. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it. You have benefited from any inquiries or problems or suggestions. Write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.